Hello everyone, welcome to the Solid Edge tutorial. In this tutorial, we will learn how to resolve or solve sketch dimension problem that may occur during work. So let's get started. Click on sketch, select plane, draw a line. It's a random length line. Now dimension it. Now it is 79.28. I want to make this line to 50 mm. So as usual, double click on it. Here we will not edit this line because it is locked. So this dimension is locked. So resolve this error. Delete this dimension. In the relate option, we have here maintain a relationship. Just click on this maintain relationship. Then click on smart dimension. Dimension again. So now it is editable. So we can make it 50 mm length. So if dimension is locked, we have to click on this maintain relationship option. Now sketch a rectangle. Go to smart dimension and apply dimension to it. Now it is editable. Now off this maintain rectangle once again. Dimension it. It will not be edited. We can clearly see here, if dimension is with a red color, it is editable. If it is with blue color, it will not be editable. So this is the error solution. Hope have you enjoyed this video. Please like, share and subscribe for more updated videos.